This GL Homes FLORENCE model is in Valencia Lakes, Tampa Bay's premier 55-plus active adult community. Florence has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an open floor plan featuring a great water view from the extended screened lanai and the primary bedroom. Enter through the full-length glass front door with glass sidelight and be welcomed into a foyer with exceptional architectural features crowned by a 13-high ceiling. To the right of the foyer is a 12x14 carpeted second bedroom that boasts a lighted ceiling fan and bay windows overlooking the garden. 2 linen closets enhance the storage space of the home. Next to the second bedroom is a full 4-piece bathroom with a solid wood vanity, topped with a wonderful Corian banjo countertop with integrated sink, a full-width mirror, and a tub/shower combination. The generous third bedroom features double French doors, a built-in closet, and a hunter-lighted ceiling fan. Forward of the foyer is Florence's open floor plan, which features a dining room, kitchen, dinette, and great room. The dining room is lighted by a modern BURSTDAN chandelier and will comfortably host 8 persons. The kitchen features recessed lights, 42 solid wood cabinetry including a built-in pantry, stainless steel GE French door refrigerator, GE dishwasher and a GE range and microwave. The gorgeous Uba Tuba quartz counters are accented by a stone backsplash, and the functional kitchen island features a double sink. The bright 12x12 Dinette is an ideal space for both routine and intimate meals. Florence's expansive great room anchors the open floor plan and features recessed lighting, a lighted ceiling fan, and access to the expanded fully screened lanai with a beautiful view overlooking water, and the 3-panel 9 patio doors are outfitted with new LEVELOR vertical blinds. A spacious owner's suite features 2 walk-in closets, an octagonal tray ceiling with lighted ceiling fan, and it basks in natural light provided by 2 windows and 3-panel 9 sliding glass doors with new LEVELOR vertical blinds. Just imagine viewing sunsets, overlooking water from your bed. Priceless. The ensuite bathroom features 2 separated vanities, Corian counters with integrated sinks, a garden soaker bathtub, a walk-in shower with floor-to-ceiling tile accented by a listello, seating bench, and a west/sea for the commode. The laundry room features overhead shelving, a utility sink, and an Amana top-load washer and dryer. Environmental comforts are assured by a 2020 COMFORTMAKER HVAC with MERV 12 Plus filters and a CULLIGAN Iron Soft Plus water softener. Take peace and comfort in knowing that the lawn and gardens of your 1/3 acre lot will be expertly manicured by the HOA. Come and enjoy resort-style living at Valencia Lakes. This highly desired community has an amazing 40,000 square feet clubhouse offering entertainment shows, dances, myriad clubs, a 5,000 square feet state-of-the-art 24/7 fitness center, resorts.